Hello Miss, we are from group 6 and today we will be explaining about past continuous tense. The learning objectives are knowing the past of continuous tense, knowing how it should be used, knowing when it should be used, knowing the form of past continuous tense, that is was, were, ing. Ask and answer question in past continuous tense orally. In the Indonesian version. Tujuan pembelajaran. Mengetahui penggunaan past continuous tense, mengetahui bagaimana itu harus digunakannya, mengetahui kapan harus digunakannya, mengetahui bentuk continuous tense yaitu was, were, ing. Menanya dan menjawab pertanyaan dalam past continuous tense secara lisan. So what is past continuous tense and examples? The past continuous tense, also known as the past progressive tense, refers to a continuing action or state that was happening at some point in the past. The past continuing tense is formed by combining the past of tense of to be, i.e. was, were, with the verb presenting participle ing, were. The past continuous is formed by the past tense of to be with the base main verb plus the ending ing form of the verb. Example, we were playing football when he sprained his wrist last week. The past continuous tense is were playing. The Indonesian version. Apa itu past continuous tense dan contoh? Past continuous tense juga dikenal sebagai past progressive tense, lebih memilih pada tingkatan atau keadaan berkelanjutan yang terjadi di masa lalu. Past continuous tense dibentuk dengan menggabungkan bentuk lampau dari to be yaitu was, were dengan kata kerja present participle ing, were. Past continuous dibentuk dari past tense menjadi dari kata kerja utama ditambah dengan akhir kata yaitu ing dari kata kerja tersebut. Contoh, kami sedang bermain sepak bola saat pergelangan tangannya terkilir minggu lalu. Past continuous tense-nya adalah sedang bermain.
When do we use past continuous tense? The past continuous tense is used to describe actions that began in the past and often continue for a short period of time after the action started. This tense describes action or event that happened at a specific time in the past. Example, he was waiting at home all day when she sent him the message. Alan was cutting the grass the other day when the snake appeared. Past continuous tense digunakan untuk mendeskripsikan tindakan yang dimulai di masa lalu dan seringkali berlanjut dalam waktu singkat setelah tindakan dimulai. Tense ini menggambarkan tindakan atau peristiwa yang terjadi pada waktu tertentu di masa lalu. Contoh, dia menunggu di rumah sepanjang hari ketika dia mengirimkan pesan. Alan sedang memotong rumput beberapa hari yang lalu ketika ular itu muncul.
Past continuous tense has three versions. In here, positive is marked with plus, negative is marked with minus, question is marked with, well, the question mark. First, we need to know how to use was and were. Was is used when the subject is singular, like he, she, and it. Were is used when the subject is plural, like I, you, they, and we. What if we use other subjects like Darren or the 8G class? We need to know what they can be replaced with. Darren can be replaced with subject he, so it's used with was. 8G can be replaced with they or we, depending on who you ask, so it's were. Now let's talk about the formula. The difference between positive and negative is we use not between was or were and verbing. The question version makes subject and was and were switch places. Past continuous tense punya 3 versi. Positif ditandai dengan plus, negatif ditandai dengan minus, pertanyaan ditandai dengan tanda tanya. Pertama, kita perlu mengetahui cara menggunakan was dan were. Was digunakan jika subjeknya singular seperti he, she, dan it. Were digunakan jika subjeknya plural seperti I, you, we, dan they. Bagaimana jika kita menggunakan subjek lain seperti Darren atau 8G? Kita perlu tahu dengan apa mereka bisa diganti. Darren bisa diganti dengan subjek he, jadi digunakan was. 8G bisa diganti dengan they atau we, jadi digunakan dengan were. Sekarang kita bicara tentang rumusnya. Perbedaan antara positif dan negatif adalah kita menggunakan not antara was atau were dan verbing. Kalau pertanyaan pakai subjek dan was dan were bertukar tempat.
Past continuous tense sentence examples. Number 1, positive. The sunshine brightly when I got up this morning. Lalu negatif. The sun was not shining brightly when I got up this morning. And then the question is, was the sun brightly when you got up this morning? And then number 2, positive. My grandparents were living in Japan when the war started. Negative. My grandparents were not living in Japan when the war started. And then the question is, were my grandparents living in Japan when the war started? Lalu number 3, positive. She was watching TV when I saw her. Negative. She was not watching TV when I saw her. And then the question is, was she watching TV when you saw her? Sekarang contoh kalimat past continuous tense. Yang pertama positif, matahari itu bersinar cerah pada saat saya bangun pagi ini. Lalu negatif, matahari tidak bersinar matahari tidak bersinar cerah pada saat saya bangun pagi ini. Berarti the question, pertanyaannya, apakah matahari bersinar cerah saat kamu bangun pagi ini? Nah, lalu yang kedua positif, kakek nenek saya tinggal di Jepang saat Perang Dunia. Negatifnya, kakek nenek saya tidak tinggal di Jepang saat perang dimulai. Habis itu the question, pertanyaannya, apakah kakek nenek kamu tinggal di Jepang saat perang dimulai? Nomor 3, positif, dia sedang menonton TV ketika saya melihatnya. Negatifnya, dia tidak menonton TV ketika saya melihatnya. The question, pertanyaannya, apakah dia menonton TV ketika kamu melihatnya?
The 10th question. 1. What is past continuous tense also called? 2. When to use past continuous tense? 3. What is the formula for the positive version? 4. What's the formula for the negative version? 5. What is the difference between the negative and the positive of the formula? 6. When the subject is I, you, we, they, we use. 7. When the subject is he, she, it, we use. 8. What is the formula for the question version of past continuous tense? 9. What is the meaning of past continuous tense? 10. What are the time statements in the past continuous tense? The Indonesian version. 1. Disebut apakah past continuous tense? 2. Kapan menggunakan past continuous tense? 3. Apa rumus untuk versi positif? 4. Apa rumus versi negatifnya? 5. Apa perbedaan antara rumus negatif dan positif? 6. Kalau subjeknya adalah I, you, we, they, kami menggunakan Kalau subjeknya he, she, it, kita gunakan 8. Apa rumus dari soal versi past continuous tense? 9. Apa arti dari past continuous tense? 10. Apa pertanyaan waktu dalam past continuous tense?